Ever wondered how to make rice at home quickly? Well, you're in luck. Today's topic is all about transforming those hard grains into fluffy goodness, and it's simpler than you might think. Stick around and you'll be a rice-making pro in no time. First things first, gather your ingredients. We're keeping it simple and delicious. All you need is some rice, fresh water, a pinch of salt for taste, and of course, a pot with a lid. Once you have these simple ingredients, you're ready to start cooking. Now, on to the fun part, the cooking. Let's kickstart the process by thoroughly rinsing our rice. It's crucial to rinse until the water runs clear to remove any impurities or loose starch. Next, it's time to bring the water to a boil. Patience is key here, folks. Once the water is at a rolling boil, gently add in the rice. Don't forget the salt. It's the secret ingredient that adds that extra pizzazz to your dish. Now here's the part where we take it slow. Lower your heat to a simmer and cover the pot. A watched pot never boils, but a covered pot of rice simmers to perfection. Lastly, let the rice do its thing. Allow it to simmer undisturbed until it's fluffy and all the water is absorbed. And voila! In no time at all, you have perfectly cooked rice. Your kitchen is now officially a 5-star culinary hotspot. Enjoy your meal! So, to quickly recap, we started with gathering our ingredients: rice, water, a pinch of salt, and a pot with a lid. Then, we rinsed the rice, added it to the pot, covered it with water, sprinkled some salt, and brought it to a boil. After that, we let it simmer until the water was absorbed and the rice was fluffy, all in less than 20 minutes. There you have it, folks. Now you know how to make rice at home in a jiffy. Thank you for tuning in, and happy cooking!